Hey guys, how's it going? How to use Soundraw for AI generated background music. So go ahead to the official website of soundraw.io. Okay, and now what you're gonna do, go ahead and click try it for free, right? And then you can choose the length. Let's say for example 1 minute, and choose the tempos used to generate the tracks, slow, let's say, or normal, or fast, or both, and select the genre. Let's say for example I'm gonna choose acoustic. Let's say for example this, right? Now they're gonna generate a music based off my request, and you're gonna be able to play that music. Let's say, okay, that's one example. And most importantly, they're free from copyright, so you're not gonna be flagged with copyright or demonetized from YouTube if you decided to take that as your music, or take that as your normal typical day-to-day video music. So basically that's it. If you like what you see, you can just hit the download to download it. Just before you do that, create your account and you're gonna be able to basically download it for free. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Do not forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.